Ouch! Ooh, ooh, ooh. No way, Thomas! I didn't say yet! Thomas! I didn't want to have a race. I'm just groaning. I was just groaning. Because there's a hole in the road. And my driver's cousin was on the hole. In the wall. Thomas, I told you earlier. We weren't having a race. Huh? Fiddlesticks. The railway was supposed to deliver some tar meant to mend the roads 2 weeks ago. You can't trust a thing that runs on rails nowadays. No, Thomas. I didn't mean you. I meant engines like him. Good news. Has just some delivered the tar. My road's finally being mended. Now, thanks for all you did for me. Now I know I can trust an engine. Most of the times. Especially if his name is Thomas. Just you wait! You big red sausage! We'll show you! We couldn't pay James back for bothering us, so we'll play tricks on Thomas instead. Now for our plan. Go faster, go faster. Yeah. One is good enough. One engine is as good as another. Shut up, Frank. all the more fun for us. Go faster! Go faster! Will that really work? I mean, we're not playing our tricks on James. We're playing them on a different engine who doesn't know about ALS. Go faster! Go faster! That's strange. A wagon full of tar have been left at my station. That must be it. I certainly asked Charlie to deliver the tar. I guess he mustn't be busy with something else. Well, driver will make sure it gets to Bertie now.